Today I will draw this ISMC box member in STAAD.Pro. Okay, this is fixed beam and this is roller. Okay, space, give file name. Next, add beam, finish. Then this is 1 meter plus 3 meter, 4 meter length is in Z direction from fixed. First of all, 0 0 enter and go to front view to easily understand the diagram. And my y direction is what? My y direction is 4 meter. So put 4 meter and enter. It is my y direction. Now it is 3 plus 2, 5. So it is my z direction 5. And the portion is upper portion is y. So y value is what? Y value is 4. And my node will upper portion. Then this is another road, and this distance is 5 meter plus 3 meter is equal to 8 meter. In here my z point is 8, sorry, x. Enter. Okay, and go add beam section and beam select the node with add beam cursor. Select all node. Okay, after select all node, okay, go, and this is my 5 kilonewton load from what? From 1 meter distance. Okay, and first of all I made the ISMC box member. How to make it? Go to property, general, property, and selection database. Click here. In here go to Indian, and this is channel ISMC, and ISMC in here not mention the ISMC member. Assume ISMC 200. Okay, and it is a ISMC member, and FR is double channel from front to front. Okay, and SP SP is clear spacing. Clear spacing is 0 meter for box member only. Add, close. Select the beam by beam cursor. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. and this is automatically generated dialog. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Save. The data is already saved. Now we apply the load cases. Go to load cases, add the loading type is date and the title is DL. Add close. DL and add. It is my first of all my in here 5 kilonewton load. Okay, for what? For 1 meter distance. So this is my member load and this is my concentrated force for what? For minus 5 kilonewton and my D1 is 1 meter distance and direction is GY. Add. Second, it is my 10 kilonewton load from 3 meter distance. Okay, minus 10 kilonewton load and it is 3 meter distance. Add. And last thing is this is 20 kilonewton load from 2.5 meter distance. It is minus 20 kilonewton load 2.5 meter distance and direction is GY. Load. Select concrete GY. Select the beam by beam cursor. Assign to selected beam. Assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Second, select this beam and assign to selected beam and assign. Do you want to proceed? Yes. And third, assign to selected beam. Assign. These three load and make it level and go to scale and change the load. First of all, point force. Okay, and shift plus V show your value. Now and go to my it is your fixed and it is your roller. So go support, create, it is fixed, add, create, and in here fixed butt. Fixed butt means your roller and the roller support is what? The roll or will move in this direction. This direction for it is your Z and its direction move. Okay. So first of all, This point is move. Okay. Select the node by node cursor, selected assign node, assigned, yes, and this is my fixed, assigned, select, okay, and load, and support, and my property. Everything I give here, go to command, analysis, perform analysis, go to command, post analysis, support reaction, go to command, go to post analysis, max force envelope, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. In here 0 warning 0 node, view output file, done. Max force in reaction and max force envelope wall, and to view the 3D diagram, 3D rendering, this is totally box member. Okay, okay, everything I show. If you cannot understand anything, please comment an opinion